Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix images and videos not downloading problem on your Arattai app. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Arattai app like images and videos not downloading, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open the Play Store app. Here in bottom you can see search, then type your Arattai. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, then go back, open the settings, tap on this, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, then tap on the search, then find Arattai app. You can see Arattai app, tap on this. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. After that, here you can see storage and cache, tap on this. Here once you have to tap on clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from your device and your app will be logged out. After that, you have to log in again and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just open your Arattai app, tap on these three horizontal lines in top left side corner, then tap on settings. Here you will find data and storage, tap on this. You have to check all these options. Auto download media while using mobile data, select all these options, and below you can see auto download media while connected to Wi-Fi. You have to select these options also. After selecting this, then close this window, just close your Arattai app and open it again. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix images and videos not downloading problem on your Arattai app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.